Eyes are one of the most important parts of our body. They help us see and experience the world around us every day. It's essential to teach children how to protect their eyes. Start by explaining how the eyes work and their role in daily activities. Set clear rules. No touching or rubbing eyes with dirty hands, and be careful with sharp objects when playing. Always avoid running with items like scissors or pencils. Outdoor safety is crucial too. Teach kids to wear sunglasses and hats to protect their eyes from harmful UV rays. Reinforce sun protection for overall eye health. Make learning fun by incorporating games where children identify safe versus unsafe behaviors, or use stories and videos to engage them. Demonstrate the use of protective gear, like goggles or helmets with face shields, during sports and other activities, explaining why it's so important. Good hygiene is also key. Encourage regular hand washing to prevent infections, and show them the proper way to use eye drops. Regular eye checkups are essential, just like dental visits, so ensure they understand the importance of routine exams. With screen time, introduce the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds to prevent eye strain. Teach them to keep screens at a safe distance and use proper lighting. Make eye safety fun by creating challenges or reward systems for practicing good habits, and encourage making eye safety posters to hang at home. Finally, address common myths like carrots are the only food good for your eyes, and promote a balanced diet for overall eye health.